Take 2 80-20 hamburger patties, season them well, put cheese and onions in the middle and cook them in ghee. It is fabulous. Now get you some potatoes and mandolin them. I use red potatoes and purple fingerlings from the garden. I seasoned well, and when they were crispy fried in that ghee, I went and got some rosemary sprinkled all over. Gotta have that finishing salt. Please use your finishing salt. You will thank me. You're gonna love this.